Τι κάνεις? A simple question with many answers. Today I'm going to show you 6 ways to ask how are you in Greek and 9 ways to answer. Let's go! Γεια σας αγαπημένοι μου, είμαι η Αλεξάνδρα και καλώς ήρθατε στο Do You Speak Greek? How are you is the most common question we hear every day and one of the most important questions to start a small talk, right? In Greek there are different types of this question and we use them depending on the people we talk to and the situation. Before I start, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a thumbs up in this video. Okay, I'll start with the easy one. Τι κάνεις? Τι κάνεις, which literally means what are you doing, but you can understand the meaning from the context. For example, we can say Γεια σου Μαρία, τι κάνεις? Hi Maria, how are you? But also we can say Μαρία, τι κάνεις εκεί? What are you doing there? Πώς είσαι, which literally means how are you. When somebody asks me πώς είσαι, I feel that they really want to know how I am. Actually, τι κάνεις and πώς είσαι are informal ways to ask how are you. If you want to talk formally, you can use the same phrases but in a different type. For example, τι κάνετε κύριε Κώστα, or πώς είστε κυρία Αντωνιάδου, how are you Mrs. Αντωνιάδου. Now I'm going to show you 4 more informal ways Greeks use a lot with family, friends, usually with people they know. Πώς πάει, how is it going? Πώς πάει. Τι λέει, what's up? Τι λέει. Τι γίνεται, what's up? Τι γίνεται. And τι νέα, what's news? Τι νέα. And now let's go to see how to answer these questions. When you feel good, you can say είμαι καλά. Είμαι καλά. I'm good. Είμαι πολύ καλά. Είμαι πολύ καλά. I'm very good. Είμαι μια χαρά. Είμαι μια χαρά. I'm fine. Our Greeks usually say καλά, πολύ καλά, μια χαρά. They don't use the verb. When you don't feel so well today, you can say έτσι κι έτσι. Έτσι κι έτσι. So. Δεν είμαι πολύ καλά σήμερα. Δεν είμαι πολύ καλά σήμερα. I'm not so good today. I'm not so well today. Προσπαθώ. I'm trying to be good. I'm trying to be well. Or είμαι λίγο κουρασμένος σήμερα. Είμαι λίγο κουρασμένος σήμερα. I'm a little tired today. Κουρασμένος if you are a man. Κουρασμένη if you are a woman. Let me know in the comments which of them you already knew and what are new for you. Which one is your favorite? Also, in the description box you will find one more video I've made with greetings. Check it out. If you like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe to this channel because I upload new videos every Monday and I'll see you in the next lesson. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Γεια!